If you want to upload many products at a time, you can download the sample Excel sheet below this video, which looks like this, and this can get you started off. As well as if you already have an Excel sheet of all of your products, you want to make sure that you have at least these columns set up on your sheet, and I'll walk through each column explaining what each one is. First, we have the product code. It is necessary for each product. It's also necessary that you save all of your product images with a file name that equals this product code. That's how the system will assign your image to the product. The images you'll send separately, you can use a free online service to send us many files at a time. It will zip all of your files, all of your images into one folder, zip it, and send it to us. See the link below the video for that as well. So the product code must be unique for each product. If you're going to have the same product code for two products, the second product code will override the first one, and you'll end up with only one product. Next is the product name. You can give it a nice lengthy name so people know what you're talking about without having to look at the description. Instead of just yarmulke, you may want to say big black yarmulke for men's, maybe add a size. Next is the description. The important part in the description is to remember that if you write your text in this field, it will become one long paragraph. So if you want to split your paragraph into different sentences with breaks in the middle, meaning to make it look like different paragraphs, you want to add this syntax, the break syntax. If you add one of these breaks, it will make the next word appear on the next line. And if you add two breaks, it will create two breaks, which means that you'll have the next word on the next line with another line in between. So it will look like two separate paragraphs. Next, you have the list price, which is the regular price, and the sale price. If you do enter a list price and a list price and a regular price, Stadi will display a discount badge on top of your product. So in this case, if you had 16 for the list price and 8 for the sale price, it will say 50% off. Very nice and very catchy. The category is something that may change, meaning you can write the category that you think it belongs in, and we will see how it's going to fit in the big picture of Stadi's category breakdown. So go ahead and put a category. These are options if you have this product available in different sizes, let's say. So you want to write option, let's say size, and then list the sizes that you have. If you have another option, put it in the second column. If you have more options, you can just add more columns. If you do want to track inventory, so list the amount, the quantity of this product that you have. Otherwise, you can just put a 0. And if you're not going to charge shipping on a global manner, meaning some stores will charge $10 flat shipping for the entire order. If you don't want to do that and you want to put in a shipping cost for each product per product price, so this is where you'll enter the shipping cost. A note about options is that if you do have options that cost more money, let's say the large will cost an additional amount of money, what you have to do is follow this code, which is right after your option type, 3 forward slashes, the word modifier, equals, and then the amount addition to the regular price that you want to charge. So in this case, a large would cost $13, which is a 5 over here, plus the 8 over here. If you have another size that you want to put after that, just separate it with a comma and continue like this, extra large, if that costs more money, a modifier, and then the amount. In this case, the extra large would cost $16, the 8 from here, plus the 8 from here. This may seem like a lot of work, but many times you can copy that to other products, and this would be much simpler than entering it manually one at a time.